Welcome at restaurant De Nieuwe Winkel. My name is Emiel van der Staak. I'm head chef and owner. We have a fully plant-based kitchen and I'm going to share you the story of this little dish. It's quite amazing when you think about it because it's only based for more than 99% on one ingredient. For this dish, the carrot dumplings, we use white carrots and we spin them in the blender and create this sort of fruit ladder by spreading it out thinly and drying it in the drying oven. After adding a little bit of starch, you end up with this sort of dough that we use to make the dumplings. And we fold them with this really cool little dumpling gadget, and then you end up with a beautiful shape. The broth is something else. We make carrot juice, that's fairly easy. Then we add an enzyme called pectinase, which breaks down the structure of the juice, and then it starts to split. We put it in the centrifuge and we end up with this really clear carrot broth with a very, very rich flavor. So it's a different approach to broths that are usually an infusion. We infuse that juice, that clear juice, with some rose and Szechuan pepper. That's also what we apply as a garnish. So the fresh rose petals and the young leaves of the Szechuan pepper finish this beautiful dish, the carrot dumplings. Enjoy!